It was very new for me when I came back here. The cultural difference, everything was new for me. It's like initially the program was quite hectic, but when you get used to it, when you get used to the pace of it, you really enjoy it. So my name is Avi Sharma. I'm from India. I came at Campbell to pursue my master's in Pharmaceutical Science, and I recently graduated in May 2024. I feel like one of the most rewarding thing I get from the program is the experience of the industry before jumping into the industry. So we got a lot of hands-on experience on all the production facilities, all the quality control facilities. Since we have a mini pharmaceutical industry here, Pharmaceutical Education Research Center, so the perk is like a combination of quality control lab and production lab. In India, we just work on a theoretical stuff rather than working on practical. Here we are working on practical as well as theoretical, but that practical also complies on the regulation stuffs and regulatory affairs. So it's like one of the biggest benefits for me. Other thing is the curriculum here at Campbell for Pharmaceutical Sciences is very comprehensive. It's like really very important to have hands-on experience on instrumentation because that is what you will be working in the future. One of the biggest concern was the affordability for me. What was the tuition fees and what's the cost of living? I compared to another programs for tuition fees, but I find the Campbell was more cheaper, like 20% more cheaper. I got a lot of support while I was applying at the Campbell. All the aspects of the application, like how to get a scholarship, what things we need to apply, what things we need to be ready for before coming to Campbell. So everything was super coordinated.